How to block your brows. Brow blocking, eyebrow blocking. First, brush your brows in the direction it grows. Then use a glue stick, wax stick, or something of your choice. Pass the glue stick on your brows to lay it down flat. You can go from one side to the other side, back and forth, but always end in the direction that your brow is growing. Then use a color corrector to cover the brows and the glue. Tap corrector in place to cover everything properly. After applying the corrector, set it with powder. After you set the corrector with powder, now you want to go in with a concealer over that corrector. Choose a concealer that matches your skin. After the concealer is applied, you want to dab the concealer in place all over the brow and the corrector. Cover it properly. After that is done, you want to set it with powder. Please take your time. Don't rush this process because you want it to come out really nice. In the comments, someone left, "I am powerful." Person left, "I am blessed." Then the next "I am" that was left is, "I am enjoying life." After that, I just use the same concealer that I used to cover the corrector and base my eyes with it. Now I am unboxing Morphe 35 Mi palette. It just came out. It is a pretty palette. The colors are nice. These are the shade names and here are the shades. The palette has no mirror, which I'm okay with. After this, it is time for an eye look. I'm going to create an eye look to show you what it looks like after the brow blocking and using the new Morphe palette. I am grateful. I am worthy. These are beautiful I ams. Keep the I ams coming. They are so beautiful. And whatever the I am you say, you are. You are powerful. The next I am say, "I am beautiful." And you might hear them over and over, but what is left in the comments, I will always say it. The next comment is, "I am uniquely me." I am happy. I am impactful. I am happy. I am thankful. I am loved. I am powerful. I am anointed. I am positive. I am kind. I am victorious. I am adventurous. I am worthy. I am beautiful. I am thankful. I am valuable. I am blessed. I am loved. I am blessed. I am beautiful. I am favored. I am victorious. I am trustworthy. I am a masterpiece. That is where I am right now with the I ams. They will be showing up in different videos throughout the time. As I get them, I write them down because I do want to let you know that if I ask for I ams, I do mention it in videos. This is the Morphe 35MI Magic Mirror palette. It is nice. I love it. Morphe and I have not been friends for a while, but so far, this one is blending, no fallout. It is gorgeous. Take a look again. I am magnificent. What is your I am? Lovely, 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 lovely.